Hi, today in front of me Galaxy F14 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here click the volume section, and to change ringtone volume we should slide to the left or to the right side this blue dot. Also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons. Just first be sure that this switcher is turned off, and now press to the up or to the down volume button and we can see that we just successfully changed ringtone volume. Also we can slide with the finger to the up or to the down this volume panel after the press of the volume buttons. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.